Welcome back to another SwiftUI tutorial. This time I want to talk about the first steps you should take if you're wanting to take a UIKit project and turn it into a SwiftUI project, or maybe just start on your journey of kind of converting that piece by piece, because you can do that. Now this tutorial isn't exactly going to be going over how you're going to rewrite each view controller into a SwiftUI view. It's more about the architecture of how you do that. If that's what you're looking for, that's not within the scope of this video. This is more about talking about where you should start as far as what views you should replace first and then move from there. So I'll just show you what I've got right now. I made a little Pokédex app because I couldn't help myself, and basically we've just got three views, three view controllers. You know, one that shows a simple Charizard, one that shows a more detailed Charizard with more detail on it, and then one that shows the most detail, and that's the app. So here we've got our simple one, and then you tap that and you get to see the next screen, and then here is our third screen, which this is where I want to start. Okay, so the way that SwiftUI works is you can embed a SwiftUI view in a UI hosting controller, and that's what you're going to present from a UI view controller. That's how you kind of talk between the two worlds. So this middle view controller is my details view controller, and basically all of it lives in the storyboard besides this one piece, which is the action that happens when you tap on that more details button. So as you saw, when you tap on that, it presents this view controller. So I've already rewritten that view controller in SwiftUI. I wrote it here. Like I said, this video isn't about how I did that, but here it is just for your information. And the way you're going to tell these two apart is that my SwiftUI one says SwiftUI rules at the end of the bio, and the UIKit one does not, okay? Just so you know that I actually did it. So what we got to do here, instead of getting this view controller and pushing it, we're going to get rid of that, and we need to import SwiftUI. And then I'm going to say let new view equal UI hosting controller with root view of more details view, where more details view is that SwiftUI view I was showing you a second ago. And that's like freaking it, man. Well, I have to push it. So new view true. Okay, so that is taking that action and pushing that, so it shouldn't do anything with this view controller anymore. It should show whatever this stuff is. So let's run and test it out. Okay, here we go. First view is still UIKit. Second view is still UIKit. And then third view is SwiftUI, and you would never know the difference. And you know that it says SwiftUI rules because it does. So like, that's super easy, right? So what I suggest you do is you take like your simplest view in your app that is at the end of a flow. You know, it shouldn't go anywhere because it's a lot easier to just bring your SwiftUI views into your UIKit code rather than the other way around, if that makes sense. Lowest level view preferably doesn't take any input or do anything special. Maybe it just shows something. Rewrite that in SwiftUI. You know, figure that out. That's your own journey. And then wherever that view is getting presented in your UI view controllers in your UIKit code, instead of using that old view controller, just use this UI hosting controller right here and present that. And then once you get that working, move up another level, and then move up another level, and just keep moving back and rewriting things in SwiftUI. And then, you know, at one point, you're gonna have it all done. So like, I really feel like I should be telling you more, but like, it's that easy. The hard part really is the rewriting with your SwiftUI stuff. So thank you for watching this quick video. I hope y'all are as excited as I am about SwiftUI. I will be making more of these just because it's so dang fun to do. All right, see you guys next time.